Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, I am your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, near Tehsil Chowk. So students, in yesterday's video, we have learned about some manners and the other topics. Today I am going to explain the assessment 2 of your book World Vision. So in that we have A, B, C, D, 4 types of questions. One by one we will go through all these questions. So let's start the topic first, that is tick the correct answer in assessment 2. So this is the topic A, tick the correct answer. In this first question is, who is the author of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? So students, can you guess who is the author of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Where you have 4 options are there: Roald Dahl, Charles Dickens, J.K. Rowling, Lewis Carroll. So correct answer is what? Yes, the correct answer is Roald Dahl. Okay. Then now come to the next one, that is second one. Which cartoon character is shown in the picture? Can you see this picture? Yeah. Can you guess which cartoon character it is? Yes, it is what? It is Garfield. It is Garfield. We have 4 options: Chota Bheem, Phineas, Tintin, Garfield. But the correct answer is what? Garfield. Then third one. Which organ helps in removing waste and toxins in the form of urine? You already learned in science also all body parts. Can you know which of the organ is help us to remove the waste and toxins from in the form of urine? We have 4 options: heart, lungs, stomach, kidney. See here, can you observe this picture? Yeah, which organ it is? Yes, it is kidney. So kidney is the organ which helps in removing waste and toxins in the form of urine. After that come to the next, that is fourth one. See here, in fourth one, which is the rocky planet covered with red dust? Which is the rocky planet covered with red dust? Can you know? Which is the rocky? We have how many planets we have, you know? Yeah, in all planets we have a rocky planets. Which the name of the rocky planet is what? Here 4 names are given here: Mars, Venus, Earth, Mercury. So the correct answer is what? Can you guess? The correct answer is Mars. The correct answer is Mars. So Mars is the rocky planet covered with red dust. After that come to the next, that is fifth one. In fifth one we will see in fifth one, what does the given sign means? What does the given sign means? See here, this is the symbol. Can you able to see? Yeah, can you guess? The given sign means what? What is the meaning of this symbol? We have 4 options: no smoking, no entry, no mobile phone, no eating and drinking. So the correct answer is no eating and drinking. The given symbol means what? No eating and drinking. Then come to the next, that is 6. What is the energy derived from biological waste is called? I repeat the question. What is the energy derived from biological waste is called? So students, can you guess it? What is the energy derived from the biological waste is called? Yes, it is 4 options are given here: biomass energy, solar energy, hydro energy, wind energy. And the correct answer is biomass energy. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is biomass energy. Then next one. So next is 6th one. What is the energy derived from the biological waste is called? I told you now only. The answer is biomass energy. Now come to the next, that is seventh one. Where is Christ and Redeemer located? Where is Christ and Redeemer located? So here four options are given: Egypt, Brazil, China and Paris. Can you guess the correct answer? Where is the Christ and Redeemer located? Yeah, the correct answer is Brazil. The correct answer is what? Brazil. So in Brazil the Christ and Redeemer located. After that come to the next, that is 8th one. Dinar is the currency of which country? Dinar is the currency of which country? Four options here also: USA, Iraq, Kuwait, both B and C. So students, can you guess in which dinar is used in which dinar currency is used in which country? Yeah, it is used in Iraq and Kuwait. It is used in Iraq and Kuwait. So the correct answer is both B and C. Both B and C. Why? Because it is used in Iraq also, and also it is used in Kuwait. So the answer is both B and C. So after that come to the next, that is 9th one. 9th one is, ninth one is identify the personality given in the picture. So this is here a photo of given here a photo is given of a great personalities. Can you guess whose photo it is, whose picture it is? We have four names: Nelson Mandela, Ashoka, Abraham Lincoln, Mahatma Gandhi. But the picture given here is the Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela. After that come to the next, that is 10th one. Which is environment friendly action? Which is environment friendly action? So four options are given here: planting a sapling, reusing water bottles, carrying a cloth bag to market. All of these. So means planting a saplings, reusing water bottles, carrying a cloth bags to market. So all these are the environment friendly actions. So the correct answer is all of these. The correct answer is all of these. So by this we have completed our exercise 8. Tick the correct answer. Now come to the next, that is B option. Match the following. In B option we have to do match the following. In this here the first one is the Big Apple City. In this, the Big Apple City, it is a name of a country. The Big Apple City is a nickname of a country. Can you tell me which country's nickname is the Big Apple City? Yeah, the correct answer is New York. The correct answer is D, that is New York. New York's nickname is Big Apple City. Second is the Great Sphinx of Giza. The Great Sphinx of Giza. It is where it is located. It is in Egypt. It is in Egypt. Then third is Dirham. Dirham is a, can you guess? It is Dirham. It is in UAE. It is used in UAE. Then fourth is Panchtantra Tales. It is a book which is written by a writer. Can you tell me the name of the writer who wrote this book, Panchtantra Tales? Yes, it is what? Vishnu Sharma. Vishnu Sharma has written the Panchtantra Tale. Then last one is Powerpuff Girls. Powerpuff Girls. So it is written by Craig McCracken. Craig McCracken. Okay. So this is the match the following. We have completed all the match the following. So do it in your book also and complete your books. After that we will do fill in the blank. So let's start the fill in the blanks. So next is fill in the blanks. It is size C. In this we have 5 questions. In this we have what? How many questions? 5 questions. The first one is, look at the dash of bananas. We have options bundle and bunch. Can you tell me the correct answer? The correct answer is bunch. Look at the bunch of bananas. Spelling is bunch. Bunch. Okay. Then second one is, Raman dash a dash balloon. Means Raman blew a blue balloon. In first column we will fill BLEW. ब्लू मीन्स बलून्स को जैसे हम फुलाते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं ब्लू करना. और कौन से कलर के बलून को फुला रहा है? ब्लू कलर का. सो इट इज द आंसर, रमन ब्लू अ ब्लू बलून. देन कम टू द नेक्स्ट, थर्ड वन, प्लानिटेरियम इज कॉल्ड डैश इन हिंदी. कैन यू नो हिंदी में प्लानिटेरियम को क्या कहते हैं? इट इज कॉल्ड तारा मंडल. इट इज व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? तारा मंडल. स्पेलिंग इज TARA, तारा मंडल. MANDAL, तारा मंडल. Then come to the next, that is fourth one. The strongest currency in the world is. Can you know which is the strongest currency in the world? Yeah, the strongest currency in the world is Kuwaiti dinar. KUWAITI, Kuwaiti, DINAR, dinar. Kuwaiti dinar. Then last one is fifth one. The person who operates a patient is called a dash. Can you know? वो पर्सन, वो आदमी जो बीमार पेशेंट्स को ऑपरेट करता है, उन्हें ट्रीटमेंट करता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? We have two options, dentist and surgeon, and the correct answer is surgeon. The correct answer is surgeon. SURGEON. The correct answer is surgeon. So by this we have completed exercise C, fill in the blanks. Now there is last exercise, that is take the correct answer we will do after this. So let's start the last exercise. Tick the correct and cross the incorrect statement. Okay, so in this first one is, movie 101 Dalmatians is based on a book, The 101 Dalmatians by Dodie Smith. So can you tell me, students, which is tick or cross? Yes, it is tick. I repeat, movie 101 Dalmatian is based on a book, The 101 Dalmatians by Dodie Smith. मीन्स एक मूवी है जो 101 डाल्मेटियंस, जिस मूवी का नाम है, वो एक बुक से बनाया गया है, जिस बुक का नाम है द 101 डाल्मेटियंस, जिसको डोडी स्मिथ राइटर ने राइट किया था. तो ये राइट है कि रॉन्ग है? या इट इज़ राइट. ठीक. सेकेंड वन इज, Venus is known as the evening star. It is correct? Yes, Venus is known as the evening star. Third is, an author sells book. Yes, student, it is right. क्या एक ऑथर जो होता है वो बुक्स बेचता है? नो, ऑथर राइट्स अ बुक. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. क्रॉस. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. एंड कम टू द नेक्स्ट, इट इज फोर्थ वन. ड्यूरिंग अर्थक्वेक we should stand under a tree. During earthquake we should stand under a tree. Means भूकंप, जब भी अर्थक्वेक या फिर भूकंप आता है तो हमें पेड़ के नीचे खड़ा होना चाहिए. इज इट दिस स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट? यस, इट इज इनकरेक्ट. we never we stand under a tree whenever the earthquake takes place. Okay, then come to the fifth point. रीयूजिंग मटेरियल्स इज़ अ गुड हैबिट. कोई भी मटेरियल जो रीयूज़ करने जैसा होता है तो हमें उसे यूज़ करना चाहिए. करने से ये गुड हैबिट होती है. इज इट करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट? यस, इट इज़ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. रीयूजिंग मटेरियल इज़ अ गुड हैबिट. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ करेक्ट. सो बाय दिस वी हैव completed all the exercises. So I will repeat again. See, Moving 101 Dalmatians is based on a book, The 101 Dalmatians by Dodie Smith. This statement is correct. Venus is known as the evening star. This statement is also correct. An author sells book? No, it's wrong. During earthquake we should stand under the tree? No, wrong. Reusing a material is a good habit? Yes, it is. This statement is correct. So by this we have completed. So students, please fill your book with the help of this exercise. I will send you the PDF also to complete the exercises. Whenever the school will get reopened, you have to submit your books for the corrections. Bye. We will meet in the next video with next topic.